This is our car. Keys are lost?
Yeah, I was an idiot and I took it off my key ring.
Yeah.
To leave my car running to run into my room real quick. Stupid mistake. I had a locksmith come and unlock it for me, but I don't have a key to start it.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna pick the lock and I'm gonna decode it. I'm gonna be using this CY24. We sell those on autokeys.com. So there you go. Alright, so I finished decoding and I have a key code. Now I'm gonna cut a key real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna make the customer a flip key like this. So just finish cutting the key, I'm gonna test it out. Alright. Okay, programming success. Let's see.